Out and order. Hey. May I tell you something still, you know? A little thing reach me. Big man, that's why me I talk to you, if you listen to me and understand and watch me, you know. Blow job, what you say? Yeah. You don't know what happened. You swear to live with that woman in a yard. No care when she catch you, I don't never confess. Problem that. No care when she tell us I don't you don't know what happened.
Ain't a true man, never confess. Hey. Remember me tell you. You see when you're that yard and your woman has said to ask you some things, you know if you confess in a road, boy. Me I tell you, you know.
Yo, that problem and you will not live no way. Yeah. Alright, you're your woman now. Apache. Me get to understand so you deal with Angie, not true?
No, sir. No deal
Apache.
with...
Me know say you have a next woman, you know, but true me are the woman at the place. Me not worry myself, are true?
No, man, we are some man. Me not no woman out on the road, man.
Apache. And me are the wife and me I get the money. So you worry yourself. Just tell me now. Just tell me just even one. Just tell me if I even one.
No, man, me say me no woman out there, man. You know, hear what me say.
Alright. You say if you just tell me not quarrel, you know? I would have never quarrel. I would have cooked a piece of steamed fish and crackers for you.
Alright. One me have.
What you say a while ago, Apache?
Uncle, one me have with you.
One you say?
Yeah, one.
Then I first thing that I reach you. Then just so they not quarrel and all of a sudden you turn drunk, bro. Alright?
You there? You the lady, a true. Yes.
Hey, you see one other thing? You see bun thing, I want hell of a sit there.
No, woman smarter man when it come to bun.
Oh, it's a foolishness.
Humber, me say woman smarter man when it come to bun.
That's why woman them a laugh.
Alright, if you and woman a walk, and you see a girl where you like and you want to look on the girl, man don't know if you look on a woman when the man and the woman a walk, you know. Man, say, oh, yo, the daughter they look good. And you whoop. But, make you and the woman a walk and the woman want to look on the next man. You know what she do?
What she do?
She get you if you look on the man too.
How she do that?
Woman smart.
How she do that?
She does look on you and say, Sammy, look on the boy there.
And you like it that now. Him not say them not shut the top where.
Look. Yeah, right now. Look on him pants.
Outdated pants are crimply.
Look on his shoes.
Big heel and bell foot.
That and here are in our mind now. Lord, in cutie. Yeah, that's how woman do it. Then get you if you look on the man too.
Me tell you something. Woman not let down. Woman always lie. Let me show you something. All right, woman them in here we not tell lie. Hold up on one. See it there? Let's start tell lie right here so. Let me tell you something. You there your yard and your woman coming in from work late.
Hey. Watch this. You there your yard. You reach home before a woman. Watch how woman dangerous. Yo. Oh, you just come.
So what happened? You not trust me? First thing that come out of them mouth.
Yo. Where I come from?
You know, what's up? You really don't trust me? All right. She just grab the phone. Angie, I beg you to tell Chief how over them I come from. Just tell him to me, you hear?
Yeah. In technically, I tell Angie if you tell you, say yes, how over there she come from. Smart. Remember, I used when it come to your phone, woman a dangerous thing on phone. Man no know nothing about phone. Joke me I make? Man no know nothing about phone. All right, make I tell you something.
If your man are smart, you don't know nothing about phone neither.
Right, me I say, watch. What? Hey, rude boy, you don't take notes, you know. All right, you're a human in our house, and your phone ring about 3 times. And your dog a call you. Yo! Go on, my dog. There, saying, yeah, man, check your, yeah, upon the ends. And you hang up. Make his a woman call you. Watch how we fool now. If you answer your phone, see him, you know. Hello! What, check. Yeah. Yo, yeah, crack up. Let me go out the door, yeah. Hold on, yeah, crack up. Joke that! A woman must know, see, our next woman a call you. You have to stand same place and talk. But yeah, crack up. All of a sudden, your phone a crack up. No, man, with a changing style, eh? Yeah. All right, watch. Watch. Watch how woman smart when it come to phone. Me say, what? I tell you, man, hey, woman tough on phone. Watch. You there, so, and the man there, so. Watch how woman name wicked now. Ring. Hello?
What, baby?
What?
Where you say you come check me?
No!
What, me can't come check you?
No!
Why your man down there?
Yes!
So, you what? You what? 3 o'clock tomorrow, Plaza, scene?
Yes! Me say, some the one Angie, every evening she call me about me come comb her ear. She don't feel like me or nothing for do. Yeah, that a woman. Woman smart. But watch it. Look how a man they stay. Alright. Woman they are on the man they are on the phone ring. Watch. Hello?
Apache what?
What?
Apache. Apache, you still there? Apache, you come check me today? Where you say? Me can't come check you? You man there? Hey, Apache! Apache! My man there, you know Apache. I mean, you can't say me love you. Say you love me. Say you love me, Apache.
Where you say? You crack up, you know, man. Baby, you crack up. Where you say?
Apache, me 3 months pregnant enough for 20 for you.
Yo, me call you back, you know. Yeah. Yeah. A man style that. We have to change up.
We have to start answer phone like, yes! Anything they do, we do it with them.
Yeah, man. Remember me tell you. So, boss, me pass the test, sir.
Let me tell you something. You see that girl, eh? We never deal with her right, because none of we can check her out. Me I go beg you sing a song that we can dance with her. Sing a song for me and she for her.
Fiancé?
Yeah.
Run it, let me show you. What? I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. Yeah, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl. Talking about my girl, my girl. Yeah, hey, hey, what is that? Hey, boss. When me see you down there a while ago, you look tough.
Where you say a while ago?
When me see you down there, you just look tough.
What kind of tough?
No, you just look tough. Remember me tell you, tough.
Oh. Hey, you see when you sing a tune a while ago? Yeah. And me a dance with the girl? Yeah. Me just remember when my mother and father make love forget me.
Hey, yeah. Boss, you're tough, you know.
Yo, sing a Percy Sledge to my girl. A Percy Sledge.
I make it Percy Sledge, you know?
Sing it in a Percy Sledge voice.
All right, give me the next one. Percy Sledge and a Percy Sledge voice. I'm Mickey Percy Sledge voice, you know?
You said you sing like Percy Sledge.
All right, listen to this.
I found a woman I felt to truly love. She was everything I ever been dreaming of. She was bad, I didn't know it. Her pretty smile never did show it. All I knew is what I could see, and I knew I wanted her for me.
What is it? You know what I make I cut my ears and I listen? Come here like you say you found a woman. And now me here you say you wanted her for you. Let me tell you something. You want me to save you?
No, but...
Let me tell you something. No sing nothing about you found no woman. You must say, he found a woman. Me can't sing, you know. But the one reason make me not sing it yet, you know. Me not sing it yet, come on, look lonely and lime.
You better hear yam bees and yam line tree. That not going to help you. Yes or no, boss? Me pass this.
Boss, sing a lovely song for me and Schiefer, please. Sing a Lou Ross in a Lou Ross voice.
Lou what?
Lou Ross. Then I saw the man name.
Lou.
I'm wrong for your bad word name.
Run the next one then. Fiona, sing it Fiona.